Hello guys, welcome to another video on most common English verbs. I'm Mujib and I'm here with some new English verbs that I'm going to teach today. Okay, let's get started. Gave, give, given. When you give something to someone like this. Okay? For example, who gave you that pen? Who gave you that pen? I'll give this to you if you promise to give it back to me. You will be given your diploma tomorrow. So if you don't know what the past form, present form, or the past participle forms are, you can go back to the previous videos about the common verbs. You will understand them because I have explained them all there. Okay? Good. Let's move to another verb. Told, tell, and told. For example, I told you about 3 forms of verbs in previous video. Tell her the truth. Have you told her anything about me? Have you told her anything about me? Worked, work, and worked. For example, I worked hard to get the first position in the last semester. Next example, where do you work? Where do you work? Do you work in a bank? She has worked here since 2014. She has worked here since 2014. Called, call, and called. Your mom called while you're out. I'll call you after work. I'll call you after work. Have you ever called to a bank? Have you ever called to a bank? Have you? Asked, ask, asked. She asked me where I lived. Don't be afraid to ask questions. You can ask me anything. He has asked me for money. Tried, try, tried. She tried very hard to pass the exam. I'm trying to find a new job. Ahmad has tried a lot to go to America, but maybe he failed. So these were all those common verbs that I tried to teach you. If you think that there are some other common verbs that you usually use and maybe you have any problem with them, write them in the comment section. And also, if you want to learn these verbs better, you can make examples using them and write them in the comment section. Okay, so if you want to learn more and watch more learning videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel and I'll see you in the next video.